In a previous video, we completed dimensioning of the front view of the rocker arm, and here it is. Now we want to quickly complete the dimensioning of the top view, and what we're after is here. So we're going to need to have a centerline bisector all the way through the device, and we're going to need the, looks like to extend the centerline bisector here. So let's do that. So here I'm gonna get that bisector line to traverse the entire part so that I can use those lines to dimension from. So we have that. Are there any more? We may need to move this one out a bit. Can we do that? Guess not. Alright, so this one up here is baseline dimensioning. So we'll click here, we'll click here, we'll click here, right click, continue, and pull out there, create. That almost matches. This guy goes out to thousandths. So 0.625, 1.25, that looks good. Let's move over here. This one goes all the way out to 10 thousandths, this to the thousandths. So again, baseline, so we'll click here, we'll click here, right click, continue, pull out in this direction, and create, double click here. Primary unit goes all the way out to the 10 thousandths, or 4 digits after the decimal. This one, 0.88, goes out 3, which will be 0.875. And I think we look good there. Let's go ahead and take care of this distance here. Come up here, and that looks good. Matches. And then we have these two, and then the 6.13. So we'll go here to here, and we'll take that, 0.38, and now we have 0.5 here. There's our 0.5. Now let's do this final one, the 6.13, which will go from here to here. I think, there we go. Yeah, the line will come out. I'm going to bring it out to here, even though it's overlapping with the front view, and we'll rearrange them. We're on a size A piece of paper, so it's going to be difficult to get everything to fit. So maybe I can come down just a bit here. Oh, not that much. This 30 goes out a little further than it really needs to. You get the idea. So we make a concession when we use this small paper, because we can't quite fit everything as nicely into the page. So there we have it, and this rocker arm should be fully dimensioned at this point. So to turn this in, we can export PDF. Let's see, I started with a template here, so let me call this last name first name underscore rocker arm. Let's say drawing. And there it is. Kind of messy because they're close together, but they can be modified a little bit so that they don't quite overlap. This could not come out quite as far, etc. But I think you get the idea. So conversion to the PDF kind of took away some of my features here. I'm not sure why that happened. At any rate, there's the fully dimensioned rocker arm.